Are you nervous about your looks? Do you feel that your face needs some plumping and glow? Do you want to get plump, youthful skin and smooth skin? We have a solution for you. Dermal fillers. Dermal fillers are growing in popularity because they are a quick way to reduce the common signs of aging across your visage. If you're dealing with sunken areas, fine lines and wrinkles, thin lips or folds, this is the solution for you. Dermal fillers are just great and can help to diminish facial lines and restore volume and fullness in the face. We all know and have seen that as we age, our faces naturally lose subcutaneous fat. What can dermal fillers do? They can plump thin lips, enhance shallow contour, and soften facial creases and wrinkles. Wow! Isn't that great? Dermal fillers can boost in self-confidence. After using dermal fillers, you will just love the way they feel. The very reason why people love dermal fillers is that they do not have to wait in order to enjoy the benefits of the treatment. As soon as the product is injected into the skin, they are going to see their appearance transform. There are different types of dermal fillers: hyaluronic acid fillers, collagen fillers, and synthetic fillers. We can help you determine which one is the best for you. Therefore, don't delay. If you're fed up of dealing with sunken areas, fine lines and wrinkles, thin lips or folds, Dr. Prashant Murugkar is a well-known international celebrity laser cosmetic surgeon based in Mumbai and UK. Come book your appointment now. Dr. Prashant Murugkar, Clinic Beauty Naturally, KLS Memorial Hospital, Ville Parle West, Mumbai. Or Clinic Beauty Naturally, SMC Medical Center, floor below Starbucks, Link Corner Mall, behind KFC, Linking Road, Bandra West, Mumbai. You can also contact us at lasercosmeticsurgeonmumbai@gmail.com. Come, visit us. Clinic Beauty Naturally is the most famous skin clinic in Mumbai. We have the best doctors to help you. Don't wait up and don't think twice. For more information, visit our website www.liposuctiontummytuck.in.